card declined. Will that be all for you?
Yes, that is all. I would like to pay by card.
Okay, please use the card reader.
Okay.
Please try again.
It says declined.
Maybe try one more time.
Yes, I will try again.
Go ahead.
Oh, it is declined again.
That is strange.
Yes, I have money on my card.
Do you have another card?
No, I don't. Can I try one more time?
Of course.
Okay.
Still declined?
Yes, again.
Maybe there is a problem with the machine.
Maybe.
I am sorry about that.
It is okay. I will pay with cash.
No problem.
Here you are.
Thank you. Here is your receipt.
Thank you.
Have a nice day.
You too.
Time for a bike ride. What are you watching?
Just a TV show.
Is it good?
It is okay.
I am bored. I do not want to watch TV anymore.
What do you want to do?
I don't know. Maybe we can do something.
We can go for a bike ride.
A bike ride?
Yes, the weather is nice today.
I'm not sure.
Why not?
I feel a little lazy.
We can ride our bikes to the lake.
The lake?
Yes, it is very nice there.
That is true.
And after that, we can get some ice cream.
Ice cream?
Yes, there's a good ice cream place near the lake.
That sounds better.
So, what do you think?
I think you convinced me.
Really?
Yes, especially with the ice cream.
Great.
I will go change my clothes.
Good idea.
I already know what I want.
What do you want?
Mango sorbet.
That sounds delicious.
Okay, give me 5 minutes.
I will get the bikes ready.
Perfect. Let us go. Looking for a swimsuit. Where is it?
What is wrong?
I cannot find my swimsuit.
Your swimsuit?
Yes, in 2 days we are going on vacation and I cannot find it.
Calm down. What are you doing?
I am looking in my closet. I am taking everything out.
Oh, maybe we can go shopping tomorrow morning.
Go shopping?
Yes, we can buy a new swimsuit. You do not need to search anymore.
But I have other swimsuits.
Really?
Yes, but this one is my favorite.
The pink one?
Yes. How did you know?
I saw something pink in the laundry basket.
Wait, let me check.
Found it?
Yes, here it is, my favorite swimsuit.
Good. Now you do not need to buy a new one.
Yes, I am so happy.
Problem solved.
Thank you. Now I can pack for vacation.
Perfect. Let's get ready for our trip.
Talking about a new living room. Tom, we need to buy a new sofa.
A new sofa?
Yes, this one is very old.
I know. I was thinking about it too.
Really?
Yes, I was thinking about changing the whole living room.
The whole living room?
Yes.
How?
I saw a nice idea on the internet.
What kind of idea?
White walls, a brown sofa, and a chair.
That sounds nice.
And a wooden TV stand.
Oh, I like that. Do you have a picture?
Yes, I have it on my phone.
Show me.
Here it is.
Wow, it looks beautiful.
Do you like it?
Yes, I love it, but it will be expensive.
Not everything.
What do you mean?
I can paint the living room myself.
Really?
Yes, and I saw a TV stand on sale.
That is good, but what about the sofa and the chair?
We can find something at a good price.
I hope so.
And it is something we will have for many years.
That is true.
So we can spend a little more.
Yes, you are right.
So, do we do it?
Yes! I am very excited.
Great. Let's start this weekend.
Looking for the cat. Hi, you are back.
Hi, honey. Yes, I am back.
How is your day at work?
It was good, but very busy.
Busy again?
Yes, I had many emails and meetings.
That sounds tiring.
A little. What about you? How was your day?
My day was okay.
Did you work from home today?
Yes, I worked from home all day.
That is nice.
Yes, but sometimes it is very quiet.
I understand.
Did you have lunch at work?
Yes, I had lunch with my coworkers.
What did you eat?
I ate a sandwich and a salad.
That sounds good.
It was good.
Oh, by the way, did you see the cat today?
The cat?
Yes, I did not see him all morning.
Really?
Yes, I looked in the kitchen and in the living room.
That is strange.
I usually see him on the sofa.
Or near the window.
Exactly.
Maybe he is sleeping somewhere.
Maybe.
Did you check the bedroom?
Yes, I checked. He is not there.
What about the balcony?
I checked the balcony too. Now I am a little worried.
Do not worry. He likes hiding.
That is true.
Do you remember last week?
What happened last week?
We found him in the laundry basket.
Oh, yes, that was funny.
Wait a moment.
What?
I hear something.
Where?
In the closet.
Let us check.
Look,
There he is.
he is sleeping.
On my sweater.
Of course.
Silly cat.
At least now we know where he is.
Talking about piano classes. Mark, can we talk for a moment?
Of course. What is it?
I want to sign Sophie up for piano lessons.
Piano lessons.
Yes,
But she is only 5 years old.
I know, but this is a good time to start.
Are you sure?
Yes, children learn fast at this age.
Maybe.
If we wait, it can be too late.
Too late.
Yes, it is better to start early.
That makes sense.
I saw an advertisement today.
Really?
Yes, for piano classes for children.
Where are the classes?
At a music school near our home.
That is good.
The classes are on Tuesday and Thursday.
Tuesday and Thursday?
Yes, and I finish work early on those days.
So you can take her there?
Yes, I can take her and pick her up.
That is perfect.
I think Sophie will enjoy it.
Yes, she likes music.
She always sings at home.
That is true.
So, what do you think?
I think it is a good idea.
Really?
Yes, let us sign her up.
Great. I am very happy.
Me too.
I will call the school tomorrow.
Good plan.
Sophie will be so excited.
Yes, this is something new for her.
I cannot wait to tell her.
I forgot my wallet. Anything else for you today?
That is all. Thank you. I want to pay by card.
Sure. Please use the card reader.
Oh, no.
Is everything okay?
I think I forgot my wallet.
Oh,
I don't have my card.
that happens sometimes.
I cannot believe this.
I can hold your items here. You can come back and pay later.
That is kind, but I live far from here.
Oh, I see.
I am just passing through. I wanted to see this new store.
I understand.
Let me check my bag again.
Sure, take your time.
Wait, I have some cash.
That is good.
I have $20.
Let me check the total. It is $24.
Oh, that is not enough.
Do you want to put something back?
Yes, I can put the batteries back.
Okay.
Now how much is it?
It is $19.
Perfect. Here you are.
Thank you. Here is your receipt.
Thank you very much.
No problem. Have a nice day.
You too.